Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. I have here 2008 Toyota Prius with roughly 245,000 miles. It's a new customer and the customer heard about me, heard about my detail inspections which I do for the Toyota owners, and he said, oh yeah, sign me up. We owned this vehicle for a long time, but it was serviced at all kinds of places. We don't know exactly where it stands. Please, let's do that report and we will see if it needs something. Now I will show you something regarding the engine air filter, and we will so-called service it. You might be thinking, hey, who will service the engine air filter? You just take it, throw it away and put a new one. So let's go to look on this one, what we can see, what we can do when it's in this shape. And the reason I will film this, it's the whole country and whole world in 2020 is going through the tough times. There's a lot of people who don't have a jobs for an extremely long time. And another $40 for a quality engine air filter might be not feasible for them at this moment. Hopefully it will be again next year and everybody will be peachy. So this is what you could do if you are on the fence about replacing your engine air filter. We are looking on the clean side, and now we will flip it and look on the dirty side. Look at this one. So looking on the details, this filter, I could be, making big gestures and say, hey, this is, it should go. But actually this filter, it's not absolutely bad or absolutely contaminated yet. One of the hints is the other side seems to be very good. Also you can try to look against the light, not on this one but on some other filters. So we in general are discussing how we could prolong maybe one more oil change if we don't have money available for replacing it immediately. Or you can look at it this way. I popped it out for this owner. There was a bunch of large debris and I took the vacuum, which I will show right now, and I really quickly got it out. I will also vacuum this area and we will discuss the MAF and the throttle body, which is perfectly visible on this second gen of the Prius. So if you don't have a funds because we have a COVID, we have a really bad situation, financial situation all over, you can always prolong the life of this filter using your vacuum. So I will start the shop vacuum. Plug your ears, it will be noisy. And what I did for this owner already, in most of these streets, I just take the vacuum and carefully get that large debris out. I can go both ways. I will be not forcing it too hard, I don't want to rip it. To keep this engine air filter for another, let's say another oil change. I don't know what these people do, if they do 3,500 or if they go 5,000 miles. But definitely this filter is still reusable in the case you are short on cash and it's not a good time for you to go and spend another, let's say $40. That's just example. Also we encourage each other on this channel to do it yourself. So I will continue with vacuuming the debris from here, so it's not being sucked immediately in that filter. I just vacuum. But look on this second gen. Look how easy it is to see the wire on that MAF, mass airflow sensor. It's right here, very easy to remove. And yes, I will be writing in this report that the muff is slightly dirty and I recommend cleaning. If you follow my videos or somebody else's videos, you can clean it yourself. You don't even have to hire me. And look down there, another thing, just popping. Yep, the focus might be not working down there, but just popping it, I can see nicely down there. It's a butterfly valve of the throttle body, and I can see it's dirty. So it's going in the comments for this owner that I recommend cleaning. I will really quickly finish with wiping this surface nice and clean, and right now I'm kind of happy putting that filter back. I will write for the owner that I recommend to replace this engine air filter in the future, but I don't consider it that it's such a bad shape it will have to be done today. I can close this lid. Here are those clamps on this second gen. What is it? 1NZ FXE engine. Clean it so I can see I was there. And I'm basically done with servicing the engine air filter, which of course it's a disposable part, and some of you will say it's not serviceable, it should be replaced. I also saw in the cabin that windshield sticker for engine oil interval. It's additional 1,000 miles. So maybe I should write recommend to replace the engine air filter at the next oil change. What do you say about that one? Well, I will keep working on this, continuing my detail inspection, and if I will find something interesting for you, I will film it for you. By the way, this vehicle doesn't have a check engine light on, but as a routine I brought my scanner and there was a code P0303, misfire on the cylinder number 3. So if I will see anything either on the coils, wires or on the spark plug, which I normally pull as a part of this detail inspection, I will film it for you. Definitely, you can bet. So thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.